Okay, so you have a grid of numbers. 7 by 8, I think. And you have this highlighted number at the top and a countdown. And you basically have to find the number in the list. So 59. Um, yeah, I don't see it. I don't know. It's probably somewhere. I don't see it. Okay. Yeah, and once you tap it, you get a new number. And the whole point of the game is you have to find as many numbers as fast as you can. And this is difficult. Okay. We got 2 at least. Yeah, so that's how you play the game, and yeah, that's it. I'm just really bad at it, so